Hello everyone, this is the lecture number 29 of the lecture series of Naval Architecture made for MEO examination. In this lecture, we will continue the transverse stability of the ship. Specifically, we are going to cover a topic that is called as the permeability, which is denoted with a mu. Let's start the discussion. In the earlier lecture of building a midship compartment, we have seen one example. I will take the same example to discuss about the permeability. Let's take a box-shaped vessel having the three compartments, and all the compartments are in an equal size, and all compartments are giving the same amount of the buoyancy. Let's take the total weight of the ship is a 300 Newton, so that the buoyancy provided by the ship should be a 300 Newton. But this whole 300 Newton of buoyancy is divided in three different compartments, because each compartment is providing the equal amount of the buoyancy, because the underwater volume of each compartment is the same. So buoyancy also same, it will be 100 Newton, 100 Newton and 100 Newton. Now initially the draft of the ship, for example, it is a 2 meter. Now if midship compartment is get damaged, what will happen? Now this midship compartment, initially it was given 100 Newton of the buoyancy. Now when the compartment 2 is get damaged, this compartment is completely lost 100 Newton of the buoyancy. The reason is this compartment is completely empty, and water which is entering in this compartment is having the same weight as that of whatever the buoyancy which we have lost. It means that whatever the buoyancy we are losing, that buoyancy is equal to the weight which is added inside the compartment. So in this case, the 100 Newton of the buoyancy we have lost completely. The reason is 100 Newton of the water is enter inside the compartment 2. But suppose if you have some cargoes, or you have consider that there is some engine room here at the compartment 2, and there will be an engine somewhere here. So you can consider that that engine also acquiring some amount of the volume of this compartment 2. Let's call that volume is a small v. Now consider that this same compartment 2 is get damaged. So what will happen now? The water will start entering in this compartment. Now the whatever the water is entering in this compartment, that will be lesser than the when the whole compartment was empty. Why? Because when the water is entering in this compartment, that will be around the whole engine. Consider that initially 100 Newton of the water was entering in this compartment, but now this engine also taking some amount of the volume, then corresponding amount of the water will not enter in the compartment. For example, now it is entering only 70 Newton of the water inside this compartment number 2, because the engine is taking some amount of the volume. So in this case, what is actually happening here? Now we are not going to lose completely 100 Newton of the buoyancy. We will lose only 70 Newton of the buoyancy. Why? Because 30 Newton of the buoyancy, it is like it is taken by the engine. So only 70 Newton of the water is entering in the compartment. So what I am discussing now here, what is the meaning of a permeability? Permeability is amount of the water enter in the compartment after the compartment get damaged. So in this case, the permeability is 70. Now we are going to compare with when nothing is there inside the compartment. Means when the compartment is completely empty. When the compartment is completely empty, how much amount of the water is entering inside the compartment? That is 100. So you are comparing when the engine is there inside the compartment, how much amount of the water will enter inside the compartment divided by the total amount of the water will enter inside the compartment when nothing is there, that is 100 Newton, multiply by 100. So like this you can calculate the permeability. In this case the permeability is a 70%. Here I have given just a normal example to understand this concept, but there will be some specific definition is there. That definition we will discuss now. Here whatever the number I have taken here, that is all are fictitious number, only to make you understand what is the meaning of permeability. So just now we have seen the definition of the permeability. I am repeating the same definition here. Permeability is the amount of the water that can enter a compartment or the tank after it has been bilged. Okay, so what is the definition of the permeability here in the form of formulas? Permeability is equal to broken stowage divided by stowage factor. So what is the meaning of this? Consider again, you have here the engine is there. Again I am giving the example of an engine to understand this concept. What is the meaning of broken stowage? Are the total volume minus the volume taken by the engine, that is a broken stowage. So you can see this is the broken stowage divided by stowage factor, means total volume, into 100%. Generally the broken stowage will be taken in this way. The broken stowage to be used in this formula is the broken stowage per ton of the stove. Per ton of the stove. That is called as a broken stowage. Divided by stowage factor. Now there are some range of the values are there. For example, for the empty compartment, what will be the permeability? So try to understand here for the empty compartment. You have an empty compartment like this. Now in this compartment nothing is there. There is no cargo, there is no engine room, nothing is there. So totally the empty space is there. So in this case the broken stowage is 100 only. And the stowage factor, that also 100. Again I am taking the example here. Multiply by 100. In case of an empty compartment, the broken stowage and the stowage factor both are same only. So that time for the empty compartment the permeability is 100%. Now opposite to this, you will have a filled water ballast tank. What is the meaning of this? You have one ballast water tank is there, and in that tank completely water is there. So consider that this water itself you can consider at this moment it is a cargo. Only for the understanding purpose I am telling. Consider this ballast water itself as a cargo. Now you can see this ballast water is there inside the whole compartment. This whole tank occupied by this water. Now there is no empty space within this tank. So there is no empty space means there is no broken stowage over here. So broken stowage is 0 divided by stowage factor means the total volume. Some volume will be there into 100. So numerator is 0. It means that this whole term will be 0. So if the filled water is there, filled water ballast tank is there, always the permeability is 0. So what is the meaning of this? What you have understood from here? If you have the permeability is, if you have a less permeability, that will be always good for us. Why? Because if you have a less permeability, it means that there is some amount of the cargo or anything is there inside the ship. So you are not going to lose your buoyancy. What is the meaning of this? I am repeating once again. Now I will take one example. You have an empty compartment, or you have one more compartment here. Inside that there will be some cargo or engine room. Engine is there. Now consider that if this compartment is get damaged, so what will happen? Whatever the buoyancy provided by this compartment, that whole buoyancy you are going to lost, because the complete amount of the water will enter inside this compartment. But in this case, the amount of the water will enter inside the compartment, that will be total volume minus the volume taken by this cargo or the engine room. So in this case, you are not going to lose buoyancy which you lost in earlier when the compartment is empty. So what I am saying now, if you have empty compartment, permeability is 100%. If you have a filled compartment, you have a permeability will be less. So what I am going to say, if you have a less permeability, that will be always good for us. If that compartment is get damaged, the loss of the buoyancy will be less, and that only we want. If you are losing whole buoyancy, the ship will sink very fast. That is not good for us. I hope all of you understood this concept. Thing which I have discussed just now, you can easily understand here. We have written the formula for the increment in the draft, that is equal to X is equal to V lost of the volume if the midship compartment is get damaged, divided by A minus A. Now in that case, we have considered that the compartment is completely empty. But suppose if the compartment is not empty, if you want to write this formula in terms of a permeability, you can write like this. Means X is equal to mu, that is a permeability, into lost volume divided by A minus mu into A. Why we are writing like this? The reason is, again I will tell you the same example. When the compartment is completely empty, so total volume is this one, the lost volume is a V for example. But if you have some cargo or anything is there inside this compartment, now the volume which is going to lost, that will be this volume. So this volume which I have shown here, that will be a percentage of the total volume. So total volume lost is a V into this much amount of the volume it is not going to loss. So for that purpose we are going to multiply with the permeability. So mu into V, this much amount of the volume is going to lost now. So you are going to multiply with the mu to this value, that is mu V, and as well as a damaged water plane area is there, for that also you are multiplying with the mu. So like this you will get the new formula for calculating the increment in the draft because of a bilging a midship compartment. Now suppose if you get the question that the permeability is 100%, then it means that if the permeability is 100% means it is completely empty compartment. So that time you can take the value of mu is 1. If they say permeability is 70%, then when you are going to substitute the value of mu here, you have to take it is a 0.7. So like this value you have to substitute in this equation, and you have to find out the increment in the draft. Let's take one numerical on the basis of permeability. A box barge 60 meter long, 10 meter wide, at an even keel, the draft is 4 meter. It has a compartment of located on midship and 12 meter long. So there is a one box shaped vessel is there. In that there is a midship compartment whose length is 12 meter. Now they are asking, calculate the new draft if this compartment is laid open to sea. Laid open to sea means they are saying if the midship compartment is bilged when the permeability is 100% and sub question B is permeability is 60%. So what is the formula for the increment in the draft? That is equal to X is equal to mu V divided by A minus mu into small a. So here the sub question A, mu is given 100%, it means that you have to substitute mu is equal to 1. And sub question B, the mu is given 60%. In the formula you have to substitute mu is equal to 0.6. So let's substitute these values here. X, mu is 1, and the lost volume is, what is the lost volume here? Lost volume is equal to length of a midship compartment, that is a 12 meter, width of the ship is a 10 meter, and the draft of the ship is a 4 meter before the bilging. So this is the lost volume that you can substitute here, divided by what is the total area of the water plane, that is equal to A is equal to 60 into 10. This is the total area of the water plane. What is the damaged area here? That is a 12 meter into 10. So you can substitute that values here. 60 into 10 minus the mu value is here 1 into 12 minus 10. Like this you have to substitute the values here and you will get the value of x. Then coming to the sub question B, in the sub question B, same thing you have to do, only you have to check the value of a mu, that will be 0.6 into 12 into 10 into 4 divided by 60 into 10 minus 0.6 into 12 into 10. So like this you have to solve and you have to find the value of x. If you solve this value, let's check which value will be greater. Now you can see when the permeability is 100%, that time the increment in the draft is a 1 meter, that is very high. And if the permeability is 60%, that time the increment in the draft is a 0.54 only. It is just a half of that. So try to understand this concept here. What I have told, if the permeability is very less, then that will be good for us for a particular compartment. So for a particular compartment, the permeability is very less. It means that if that compartment is get damaged, you will lose less amount of the buoyant force and there will be an increment in the draft also less. That will be good for us. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If you are visiting my channel first time, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.